already in my collection, so might as well go to the full color edition. So something about the Air Force One Air Max 270 Olympic Edition is this colorway is paying homage to the US basketball team 1992, which Charles Barkley wore. I think it's the Air Max 180, the vintage one, which has a Air Max unit here. So this is the colorway of the 1992 Olympic team, which won gold. That's with Michael Jordan, Larry Bird, and some other legends. Let's talk about the materials of the shoe. On the toe box of the shoe and on the lateral and medial side is a premium suede material, which really feels good. It's really soft right off the bat. I was really surprised with this shoe. It's really comfy, even at the first try. This shoe is a semi-booty upper. The tongue and the inside of the shoe is made up of neoprene material, which is kind of thick. And the heel counter is also made up of neoprene. Look at this, it's super soft, it's so comfy. And onto the ankle part of the shoe is a synthetic leather material with a golden swoosh on it. And the synthetic material even has cushion in it. Really nice. On the pull tab, it's an Air Force One X on it. And like other Air Max 270s, the Air Force One has the pull tab here, which is a nice touch of the Air Max 270. Unlike standard Air Max 270, which doesn't have this. So it's only on the Air Force One editions. And it's magnetic too. Just put it back, it snaps right back in. And on the cushion side of the 270s, it has a gradient spray from the back part to the front part of blue with a splat of gold, which is a really dope touch on the Olympic edition. It has the standard Air Max 270 cushion at the back. And my impression on this shoe was right off the bat, I was really surprised how comfortable it is, how soft it is, how soft the materials are. Because I had this impression that the 270s was looking kind of chunky. Yeah, I thought it was a bit heavy, and the cushion is a bit hard, but no, it's really comfy. And what's nice about the Air Max 270 while I was wearing it for several days is I was recognizing the slope down, which makes from the heel to toe transition really smooth. So while you're walking, the Air Max unit on the back gives you that ride, that smooth going down slow ride, if you know what I mean. So as for sizing, I went down half a size on my Nike size because normally I go through the size of my Nike size for basketball. So on my lifestyle sneakers, I usually go down half a size because I wear thinner socks. And if you would have the time, I would still recommend you to go to your Nike stores or sneaker shops to try it on first to get your feel on the shoe before buying it. So another thing, my raffle is still on, so check out the details down below. Please help me go to 1K subs, and hopefully you'll win the Young Americana shoe cleaner pack. It comes with a brush, and just follow the steps down below. So that's